Hello, my name's Jordan, and Sam from Explore Your Senses has very kindly asked me to look at and review some of her sensory items. Today I'm going to show you the Fidget Time Fun Kit. Let's have a look inside. You've probably seen these Poppets before. They're really popular with children. This one's extra fun. It's got a hard base so it's easy to hold, and it's got really big bubbles for that big pop. We've got a Wiggly Caterpillar. Oh, he stretches. When you pull him, his legs flap, and it's really fun to stim them in front of your eyes. There's also a glitter tube. This is a lovely quiet fidget toy, visually stimulating and really rather calming. We've got another wiggly, stretchy ring. This one's called a wrist Squigglet. It can be with you all of the time, just in case you need it. There's also this wiggly one, great for stimming in front of your face, and really stretchy. This actually has the feel of something damp and cold, a bit like slime, but without it getting anywhere. So if your child likes those messy, slimy textures, but you're maybe out in a restaurant or in the car so you can't access the slime, this could be a brilliant alternative. There's also this Cush ball. I remember these from my childhood. Lovely and bouncy, and a lovely bristly texture. There's also an atomic bead stress ball. Soft and spiky on the outside, but when you squeeze it, you can feel little balls moving around inside. Really satisfying. There's a rainbow fidget ball, really small in size, so really discreet. You can squeeze it, pull it, enjoy the spikes, getting the sensory feedback you need without anyone ever knowing. There's also this Flexi Animal, lovely and wooden with moving parts. Hello! There's also this bendy monster. You could put him in all sorts of positions. I haven't seen this one before. The small balls on the outside are loose so you can push them in. Buttons are often irresistible to children. That's why they might reach for your remote control or your mobile phone. Pressing firm buttons is a great way of managing anxiety. Better that than picking or scratching or biting yourself. There's also this alien and asteroid ball. It's really fun to put your fingers in the holes in the planet. Another lovely stretchy fidget toy. Everything you need to meet your child's fidgety needs.